Well, hello again, friends and followers. So I've been working on this BC-654 a bit more, and I found, well, I replaced all these capacitors in the receiver. These are all called Mica Mold. They're not mica dielectric, but they're called Mica Mold, and they're actually paper capacitors inside. So anyway, replaced those. About 3 of them dealt with the ABC circuit. And replacing those made a huge difference in how this thing works. As far as on voice now, I can actually hear things and it sounds a lot better. So voice CW now have about the same kind of level of static. I also found that these are all capacitors here, these are grids. These are grids here. These are not plates like the tubes of these days are, or the tubes of the 60s. So when I touch this grid, the radio perks up a lot. So this is a 455 kC IF, and I'm thinking that I can peak the IF on this side of the LC coil for the IF. On the bottom, when I tweak that coil, nothing happens. So I think the mica capacitor inside this can is bad, so I ordered a few of those to deal with that. So here's a look under the receiver if I can tilt it up without causing too much havoc. Or not. Let's see if I can tilt this thing up with one hand to show you the capacitors I placed. That's not going so well. There we go. Let's tilt it. How do I tilt this thing and not distort everything? Okay, there you go. So yeah, so you'll see some little orange capacitors in here that have replaced many of the mica molds. So that's what's going on in here so far. I still got to replace a few more. A lot more, probably 10 more capacitors. I'm a little hesitant about the RF capacitors that control the oscillator and all that, but we'll see. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.